Welcome and thank you very much everyone watching this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to automatically insert a table of content into a research paper. It can be a thesis, it can be a dissertation, or any document that we use for any purpose. Before this video, I would like you to watch my video on heading and subheading, inserting heading and subheading, okay, in a research document, because it is only after we inserted headings and subheadings into a research paper's content that we can able to automatically insert a table of content. But let me show you, because I have already inserted I have already assigned headings and subheadings in this research paper's content. Let me show you a little bit about the headings. You know, paper, basically a research paper has three sections. Okay, the first section is the cover page. Okay, this is the cover page, and the next is title page, and the cover page and the title page together are the first section. And they don't have a page number, as you see. But from the approval sheet until the first chapter of the paper, okay, look here in the navigation column, from approval sheet up to abstract, okay, those pages are the preliminary pages, okay, and the preliminary page is another section of the paper. And from chapter 1 throughout the paper to the final pages of the paper, it makes up another section. Okay, therefore we have three sections. The first section, which is a cover page and a title page. The second section, which is a preliminary pages, and the third section is from chapter 1 to the final pages of the paper. Okay, the main document, the main paper itself. Therefore, to assign headings and the subheadings, the title is on the preliminary pages. Assume heading 1, for example, approval sheet. Look, let me show you the preliminary pages starts from approval sheet, and the approval sheet itself is heading 1. Then dedication is heading 1. A statement of the author is heading 1. Acknowledgement is heading 1. Table of contents is heading 1. And list of tables is heading 1. List of figures is heading 1. Abbreviation is heading 1. And abstract is heading 1. Those are all heading 1. Then chapter 1. Okay, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. Those are the reference appendices. All those are the first heading. Okay, they are the first heading. Therefore, I have already assigned them as the first heading. Okay, as the first heading. Look, for example, a dedication. And when you come here, then it shows us it is heading 1. And the same thing is true in the paper, the subsections. Okay, the digits are 2 here, 1.1. Therefore, it is heading 2. And when the digit becomes 3, okay, 1.31, 3 digits, and it means that this is the heading 3. Okay, and you know, we gave headings and subheadings to the content is in the research paper. Once we finalize it, assigning heading and subheading to the content is in the research paper, the next step is to insert table of content automatically. Okay, automatically. Here I have already inserted, but let me dismiss this table of content to show you how it goes. Okay, let me dismiss it. Okay, it's removed. And because all the headings and subheadings were assigned, okay, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Okay, and it can goes to heading 4 if the digit is, if the subheadings, okay, sub-content is in the research paper. Assume it's 4 digits, for example. Let us say there is a subtopic which assumes 1.4.11, 1.4.11. Then 4 digits. It means that this heading will be the heading 4. Therefore, we assign headings to the contents in our research paper, and you better watch my video on the heading and subheading issue. And this is a table of content, the header, and then the topic, and then to insert automatically. Okay, unless one thing that you have to put in your mind, unless and otherwise you told the Microsoft Word about heading and subheadings, then you cannot insert tables automatically. You cannot insert tables automatically. Okay, the Microsoft Word has to know that headings and subheadings were assigned, okay, so that it knows that the headings and subheadings are set automatically, okay, so that it can produce when we command it to produce a table of content. Here you go to reference, okay, you go to reference command of on the toolbar, and then to the left corner side, okay, to the left side of your PC. Then you find here many options of automatic table. Then let us select the first one. Okay, look, okay, the automatically generated the content is in the research paper because we have already assigned headings and subheadings. Okay, and this is how you can insert table of contents automatically. Thank you very much, and watch my other videos on different issues, and I have videos on research methodologies. I have videos on language and course contents. Okay, thank you very much.